Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Craig, and today I'm going to be discussing the Internet, the World Wide Web, and email. We will be comparing and contrasting them, showing how they relate to each other, and discussing a bit about how they work. Let's start off with a quick statement about the Internet and the web. Are they the same thing? Most people do use them interchangeably, thinking they are synonymous, but are they really? Well, the answer is no. The Internet is a network of networks, while the web is a way to access information over the Internet. The Internet is the medium upon which the World Wide Web functions, but the Internet is more than just the web. I just described the Internet as a network of networks, which is an apt description. Wikipedia defined the Internet as a global network connecting millions of computers that form a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are both connected to the Internet. This communication between computers can be done in many ways, and are performed via the use of protocols. Here's a list of many of the protocols that are used by the Internet, and they are used to perform various types of communication. Take special note of the fourth protocol on the table, HTTP. This is the foundation for which the World Wide Web exchanges information. I described the web earlier as a way to access information. Going back to Wikipedia, they defined it as a system of Internet servers that support specially formatted documents, that support links to other documents, as well as graphics, audio, and video files. Whenever you visit a website or a web page, that is all a part of the World Wide Web, which is, again, a part of the Internet. All of the websites and pages are sent to your computer via the protocol HTTP, which stands for HyperText Transfer Protocol. The information that is transferred is usually in the form of HTML, although there are dozens of other coding languages that can also be used by the web. You may notice that both of these two terms use the word hypertext. What does that mean? Well, overall, it is a term that is used to describe the concept of linking between different documents. Originally coined by Ted Nelson back in the 1960s, this was used to develop all of the Internet and especially the World Wide Web to link these documents together using hyperlinks. The way you access the web, not the Internet but the web, is by using applications called web browsers. The three currently most popular ones are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome. So now that you know a bit about the basic information of the Internet and the World Wide Web, let's bring in a third aspect, email, which is short for electronic mail. Wikipedia defines it simply as the transmission of messages over communication networks. When email was first developed, it was one of the driving forces behind growing the Internet, and remains one of the most used aspects of computer networks. Taking a look back at the Internet protocol list, we can now look at two of the others, POP and SMTP. These two together form part of the background that allows email software to function. In recent years, as the World Wide Web has grown and developed, Webmail has largely replaced local email software. Webmail uses your web browser to give you all the services of normal email software, but can also be accessed from any computer, because all of the information is stored on a server instead of your computer, like traditional email software. Some of the most currently used webmail services are Gmail, Hotmail, and Yahoo Mail. These three provide a huge range of services and functionality that have largely replaced the standard local email software that you will usually just use on your computer as an application. Okay, and with that, you've basically obtained a brief introduction into the details of the Internet, the World Wide Web, and email. But you can also take a look at this image to get a better understanding of their relationships together. The Internet is a huge network of networks that encompasses everything we've mentioned in this video. The Internet uses a variety of protocols, each of which serve to form a smaller subnetwork within the Internet. The largest of these is the World Wide Web, and second largest is email. Notice how everything also overlaps with the World Wide Web. This is due to webmail and the integration of the Internet that has happened over recent years. You can also see how many other regions, numerous of which are not even shown in this image, reflect the diversity of the Internet. It's not just the World Wide Web. There are so many other functionality and services that are used over the Internet. However, even though there are a variety, the World Wide Web still remains the largest and most used aspect of the Internet. So thank you everyone for watching. My name is Matthew Craig, and I hope you've learned a bit about the subnetworks that are within the giant super network of the Internet. Thank you.